Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or how to use Notion calendar. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your Notion website, just type notion.so on your web browser and log in into your account. So basically, I'm logged into my account and now we are just going to use our calendar. So first to create a calendar, either you can go to the templates and search for the calendar templates, just search for any calendar for either your project or whatever you like. Just type calendar on the templates and you will find many type of calendars. Either you can go for these type of calendars like a social media or uh, whatever you like. You get the template and you can start working with these calendars, and those are like this view. This is the all post view, and here we have the calendar view. Basically, each Notion templates or each Notion uh, table or any tool has multiple views. So basically, if we go to the platform by status, they will give us another view and it won't contain like the dates and other things. But here in the calendar view, we can see anything you have here. For example, for those posts, if you give them here, let's give them something recent. Let's just go and go here 24, and here we go for uh, January and click for example here 29, and we go again to calendar view and we will see this post that has been viewed or displayed on this part of the calendar. So basically, to modify the calendar, it's more advisable to go to the all posts and then you start creating tables. Means this table will be just for the creation for your events, and the calendar view will be kind of a display for your calendar. Otherwise, you can start using the calendar feature of Notion. It is a new feature. We open in the Notion calendar, and basically let's just log in again with our account. You can synchronize, and basically we are just going to continue. And here for our personal calendar, we can have anything that we can uh, let's access. Let's give it the access. Just go here and click access calendar in contacts, connect to your account, continue, and then accept those permissions of the calendars and continue. And here we will have our calendar that will work. So let's get started. And for example, I have this test calendar. I have it already on my Google Calendar, so it's kind of a synchronized calendar. And basically, we need just to open this one there on our Notion calendar, and we will have our features that will be able or that will be synchronized with our personal calendar. So you can have multiple calendars, depends on each calendar. For example, this is a social media calendar. You will have a personal one. You will have, for example, something for the work. And if you want to synchronize them, you will just click on Open Calendar and you will have all your events that will be displayed on your personal calendar. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.